Hey guys, this is our Japan, Disneyland, and Disney Sea Hall.
Welcome to Sophie and Andy's World!
Let's get started!
So this is Stella Lou. I got her from Disney Sea.
Oh, so cute!
And these are her clothes.
Okay, show the clothes. Oh, let's zoom it. So nice!
And in the back, these are all the characters.
Okay, let's zoom it. Okay.
And now, let's put on the clothes.
Go ahead! Oh, looks so cute. Okay, well, Andy's putting Stella Lou's clothes. Okay, so Sophie, do you want to show yours?
Yes. This is Stitch from Disneyland.
So big and cute. I remember Andy wanted that, right? But first, you were worried about your budget, right? And Ate Sophie also kind of like Stitch. Is that Stitch? I'm right?
Yes.
Yeah, so Ate Sophie used her budget
She
instead.
has so many Stitch edits.
Really?
Yeah, she loves Stitch.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
And that's so big, it's like the size of a toddler.
Okay, hug it, Sophie. Show them. Oh! Really
Yes.
soft? Wow! And it's so big!
And huge.
Yeah. And what else, Sophie?
And I also have Little Mermaid lamp from Disney Sea. And you can turn it on like this.
Ooh, nice! Put it down, let's see. It's a Little Mermaid lamp. Andy, look! Turn it around. Oh, look at that detail. Look, there's Ariel. There's Flounder. Turn it around.
And there is Sebastian.
Where? There!
There's rainbow juice going spinning.
Okay, so cute.
Ate uses
I
my
love
favorite
it. Oh, this one, right?
pen. Yes.
Are you done?
Almost. A little hard.
Okay, while she's doing that, what's this, Sophie? What else do you got?
I also have Minnie Mouse water bottle. Oh.
There.
And she has a little crunchy bow.
Ooh, okay. Wait, we cannot see Stella Lou. Move this. Okay, show Stella Lou. Oh, there! Look at the
Look
clothes.
at her fluffy tail.
Look at her skirt.
Wow!
She looks even prettier.
And she comes with a scrunchie that has a bow.
Oh, so maybe you can remove the blue one and change it to that
Yeah.
bow. Is
It's-
that it?
Yeah, but it's attached to the tag. so
Oh,
it's just
why you don't want to remove the tag yet?
maybe later.
Okay, okay,
And it's just gonna dangle.
okay.
And let's see what she looks. So this is what she's supposed to look like.
Okay.
So it's supposed to be in this side. Wait. There.
Where's the bow? I couldn't see it.
This is the front part.
Okay. Cute! Oh, wow! Can you remove this first? So we can see your stuffed toys first.
That's heavy. I don't remember what
Slowly.
did we get.
Okay, show them first. Stitch and Stella Lou.
Hug.
Oh, wow! Look here, I'll take a photo. Okay, what else you got?
By the way, look, this is what she looks like in the picture.
There. Put them in front. Okay, what else we got?
Wait, let's put this. And I also got this Chip and Dale water bottle. And this is like Ate, and this is like me.
Oh yeah, Sophie and Andy.
There. How about Sophie? What did you get again?
I have Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse water
And
bottle.
look at the design at the back.
Where?
There's acorns. Ate, has one too.
Oh, wow. It says Tokyo Disney Resort.
And here in the front it says Chip and Dale. Let's go find some acorns.
Okay, open it.
We
You wanna
read
open?
what it said. Minnie Mouse, sweet blooming flowers.
Okay. You wanna open?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's
there.
inside?
Okay.
And it has this too.
Oh, can you show that?
Interesting.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
This,
Oh, I know that. So it will not spill. Will not leak.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see.
Okay, next.
Next.
What I think there's in
Okay.
the bag.
Okay, yeah.
I got the Minnie Mouse ball pen and it's dancing.
Ooh. Okay.
Your turn, Ate.
Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. What is this?
This is Thumper from Bambi.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
Andy's, right?
Yeah, and I'll show you something. Here
Okay.
is a pencil case.
Oh.
And one more thing, it can hold the pencils. This, like this.
Okay. Okay, next.
Okay, my turn. Oh, this is soft. It's Simba.
Woohoo! That's Andy's, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It also does the same as Thumper.
Okay.
So
Next,
my turn.
Ate.
Next is ball pen.
Nice ball pen. Show. Who's the character?
This is the alien from Toy Story.
Okay, next.
Ooh, it has light purple, dark purple, green, and purple.
Okay.
Next.
This one. I also got the same in Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse pen.
This one is
Okay.
mine.
Okay.
And it has pink, purple, darker pink, and a darker pink.
Okay. Next.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Oh, I got 5 ball pens.
5 ball pens. Who's that? What are the characters?
Okay. I think I know some of the movies.
So, I have Jasmine and Aladdin.
Show. There. Wait, let's
On the
focus
top.
it. Oh, yeah. And then?
And also, I have Goofy and Pluto.
Where?
This
On the
one.
bottom.
Okay. Who else, Andy?
I think this is Goldilocks, and these are the bears.
Yes.
And this
Here. Who's this?
that's Alice.
Alice. Let's show them. There. Okay.
And this one's Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Okay, what's next?
My
What's
turn.
next?
Okay. Woohoo! What's next?
It's brushes.
Oh, that's Addie's Ovis brush. I remember when she got that. Right? Okay,
Yeah.
what's next?
When I was a kid, I was doing a makeup.
Yeah, when Auntie Sophie's a kid, she
We have a full.
she always put makeup on her face. Actually, lipstick. She would put lipstick all over her face. It's like a mask.
What?
Yeah.
Ate?
Remember, you will color your face. I think we have a picture like that with
Oh yes.
lipstick.
And then my face, and she's like, and while I'm still a baby. And her face is so red.
Yeah.
We put eyeshadow.
She used lipstick for the eyeshadow. Yeah, she used to do that. Okay. Okay, next.
Okay, at the same.
Okay.
It's
Next.
so cute. It's a Mickey waffle.
Yeah.
Next is what is this?
Show.
Oh, those are sticky
Oh!
Sticky notes.
Sticky
They're
notes. No, I
perfume
think they're not sticky notes. They're just notepads.
notes. Oh,
Oh, you can open. Let's
these
see.
are perfume bottles.
Okay.
I'll show them first. Show here. Let's zoom it.
Perfume bottles.
There. Okay, open. Let's see what's inside.
Okay.
You can get yours, Andy. You also have like that, right? One for you and one for ate, I think.
There we go.
Is it there?
Oh.
Ah, look at Andy. She's inside the plastic already.
It mine's at the bottom.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
So I have Snow White, Ariel, Belle, Rapunzel, Cinderella, and Princess Jasmine.
So, let's zoom it. It's kind of hard to focus because there's plastic. Can you remove the ano? Oh no, it's okay. Ah no, sige, wag na. Oh, you wanna remove it pa?
No.
So how will we know how does it look like inside? It's taped ba? At the back? Wait lang.
I always wanted a perfume like this.
Which one?
A seashell.
Yeah.
And I love Rapunzel.
Maybe you can open one.
What?
Let's just see what's inside.
Which one
Right?
do you want to open?
Here, oh, I think you can open it from the back.
You
Here.
wanna open
There,
the
here, oh.
pencil?
There.
And I'm opening.
Okay, let's remove this.
Okay,
Wait,
I
let's
can.
remove this so we can see you. How about Andy?
My favorite's Rapunzel, but I'm gonna open Ariel.
Okay.
Because I always
Okay.
wanted this perfume.
Let's just open one.
Let's just open one.
There. Ay, why did you remove it, Andy, like that? Look at Ates. Do not remove it.
Okay,
Oh.
I'll add pink.
Oh, show, Andy. Ay, Sophie.
Perfume.
Ooh. Open it. Let's see what's inside.
So what's inside?
Oh!
Oh,
Look at that. So cute. Look at this. This is what's in the cover. Look. And then the other side, it's different. There.
and mine's like that.
This is what's in the cover. There. And then the other one is different, right?
And mommy, in the back, it's Rapunzel's tower.
Ooh.
And in the
There.
back of Ariel's, it's the seashell castle.
Where?
The seashell palace.
Yeah.
In Disney Sea, we saw this exact same palace. at
Oh,
Ariel's
yeah. I
place.
remember. Yes, correct. Okay.
Let me put them back
Okay, put
Put
back
them
first.
back.
so they can be nice and safe. I love these.
What is that?
Guys, look, these are the designs so you know what they look like.
Oh. So you don't have to open everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for Rapunzel,
Her pose like,
and then for Cinderella. Is that Cinderella?
yeah. Her pose is like that.
Okay.
These are the covers and this is what's in the inside.
Okay. Nice. Okay. What's next?
Okay, so it's my turn to
Okay.
pick what we're going to.
Woohoo!
Clips!
Clips! One for you and one for ate, right?
Yeah, and you can
Maybe
swap.
when we go to Disneyland again, you can wear that.
Yeah.
Even if it's too kiddie for ate, but if you're in Disneyland, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Right? Even the adults wear kiddie headbands and all.
Yeah.
Right? So I think ate can wear it there.
She's gonna look so cute.
Yeah. Okay. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Just for fun.
So which one are you gonna wear?
This one.
Okay, let's try it
This
on.
one looks like an Ariel one.
Okay. Oh, wow. Now it's good. Side view. Nice. And then Ate Sophie's. Nice. Okay.
See?
Look.
Oh,
Oh, okay, next.
you're there, not there.
It's my turn, so. Ooh.
Oh,
Pencil.
pencils. I remember that. You didn't see that. I said, there's pencil. You get a pencil. Remember in the video?
Yeah.
Show it. Okay, there's the pencils. Oh, it's 1,200 yen. Yeah. Okay.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12.
You know what? We
12
did not say the price. You can say how much so the viewers will have an idea, right? How much is the pen?
The
Do you
clip,
still have it?
the clip is 1,200 yen.
Okay, and then
The pen, this pen, it is 900 yen.
okay. How about this one? How much is this? Here. Is this the plastic?
Let me see.
Yeah, that's one. How much is that, Sophie? How much are the pens, Sophie? The 5-in-1?
It says here 2,300.
2,300 yen. And how much is this? The big
How
one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's 4,800.
4,800 yen.
This,
Where?
This
There. And Andy's stuffed toy, how much?
2,800 yen.
2,800 yen. The bunny. Huh?
This is the same price.
How much?
2,800 yen.
Okay, and then Stella Lou, there, we can see it from here.
Okay.
It's 4,400 yen. How about the clothes?
The clothes.
Here. You have the price here. Oh, the plastic's not here anymore. Or maybe it's attached sa tag. How much yung clothes niya?
Maybe there's a plastic before, cause
Oh, yeah. We don't remember na, no? Kinda the same yata yung price. Most likely, it's...
I was really excited to see it in
Yeah.
Japan.
Sorry,
so
guys. But
I-
most likely, it's the same price. Maybe 4,400 or less, maybe. Right? What else?
This one is 1,500 yen.
Okay. How about the lamp?
a lamp.
Yeah. Do we still
What
have the
is it?
price?
Wait, Auntie.
Okay.
2,800.
2,800 yen. How about the water bottles?
It's the same as this.
The water bottles are 3,800 yen. Okay, what else? How about the stationery? The notepads. How much is it?
Wait, there's no tab.
It's not in the plastic.
It's here.
There, it fell. Oh!
Excuse me.
You're excused. So cute. Okay. Woo! While Addie's getting the plastic with her feet.
What's here? How did they get here? Oh, it's
Okay.
mine.
How much is it? The notepads.
1,300.
Yeah, 1,300 yen. You know what? We should have said the price before. Remember the Daiso haul? We should have said the price for the viewers to have an idea. Most likely when they go to Japan, right? It's not for bragging. Just to show how much we've spent.
If you want-
But in Japan, I think it's kind of cheaper than we went to Disneyland Hong Kong. I think the price is reasonable. I think it's cheaper. It's cheaper. Compare if you're gonna buy stuff here, mga Sanrio or Disney merchandise. It's kind of expensive here. I think it's cheaper in Japan. Maybe it's the exchange rate.
You want it?
How about the clips? How much is it? Do you still have the plastic?
Wait, is it? 1,200 yen.
1,200 yen. That's times 0.38. So how much is
You
that?
want to know how much is that Sanrio Portland ring?
How much?
I just found this laying
Okay.
down on the floor.
How much?
140.
How much?
1,430. That's 543 pesos.
Yeah, that's 543 pesos.
This is doing it in Disneyland bag.
Okay, what's next, Ate Sophie?
No way!
Show.
Eraser.
Oh, I love those erasers.
I want
Look.
this one.
Can you show, Sophie?
So I also have Snow White,
Mhm.
Belle, Cinderella, Ariel, Rapunzel, and Princess Jasmine.
Show. Wait, don't move it.
I love the red eraser.
Yes, good thing we found those, right?
Okay, you
How
can
much
have
is it?
You can show.
How much is it?
1,000.
1,000. So that means that's 380 pesos. Not bad, right?
Yes.
How many? How many Disney characters?
6.
6. By the way, I did find so much Disney princess there. in Disneyland. There's so
I was
much Disney.
expecting to see like Disney princess.
Yeah,
plushie.
there's not much Disney princess there, right? I don't know if we.
There's a souvenir. There's
Yeah.
a souvenir shop in the end.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe we didn't go to a souvenir shop where there's a lot of Disney princess. Maybe the one we went to is just for the other characters. But I remember in Hong Kong Disneyland, there's so much, as in
Yeah.
so much Disney princesses characters, right? I don't know if we missed going to the other shops, but they have those. I'm not sure, but at least we found some Disney princesses characters, right? To add in our collection. So what else? What else, guys? Oh, she's yawning again.
Oh,
Okay, what's that?
these are 5 ball pens, 5 in.
5 in 1. Let's zoom it. Let's zoom it first. Show them.
We have Mickey Mouse,
Okay.
Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale. For how much, ate?
1,600.
Yeah.
1,600 yen. Wow, that's a good deal. There's 6 or 5, right?
Yeah.
For the 5 pens. Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Next is
Oh, wow.
We
4 cute Mickey Mouse pens. Oh, there's Minnie Mouse too. Oh, no. Is that Mickey? It's Minnie.
It,
All Minnie Mouse.
in the balloon, it's Mickey Mouse, and here is
Oh, okay. Can you show?
because
Okay,
they
I'm gonna
are
zoom it.
together.
Nice, super cute.
1,600 yen.
Again. And how much are the pens?
1,600 yen.
1,600 yen. For 4 pens already. That's a good deal.
There's
Right?
4 each, so let's choose which one.
Okay.
This one.
And I like this too.
Okay, next. Are there more?
Yeah. You're gonna like this one. Magnet!
Oh! It's for me.
1,800.
Cause, why? Why did we get those?
Because we have a magnet collection.
Yes, can we show? Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea.
Can you open it?
it? Stick it to our fridge later. Okay. Show.
This one's fancy.
Okay. Let's stick it there later. Okay, but how much? How much are those?
How much?
1,800.
1,800 yen. Okay.
It's gold. You pick.
Okay, I will pick. Oh,
Origami.
Oh, the origami.
the origami
Yeah.
Rapunzel.
Yes. What's next? Oh, how much is that for, Sophie?
1,200 yen.
1,200 yen. Okay.
Last but not the least.
Okay, so that's the last one?
Yeah, let me see.
She went inside the plastic.
This is another origami.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was a notepad.
It's a bow or a dog bow. I think it's a bow.
How much is that?
600.
You can open it.
I want this one.
Okay.
I thought it was a sticker.
Okay, we can open it. Ooh,
It's already
okay.
made.
Okay. Ah, you're gonna make that like that.
Yeah, but it's already made.
Yeah. This how you... No, you're just showing you how to do it, I guess.
Oh, here is the... There's so many.
Oh, you mean you're gonna make like this?
Yeah. Yay, I got what I wanted.
Oh, wow. You know what? You can make a letter to your friend. And then you close it like this. I think that's how you're gonna do it. It's a notepad. It's a notepad and they're gonna teach you how to fold it like this, like an origami.
Look, it's you. It's you.
Where? Yeah, so nice. Oh, show the designs of the notepad.
This is Winnie the Pooh and Tiger.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, that one is cute.
Chip and Dale.
Oh, show it here. Put it here. There. So cute. Oh, I love that.
And here we have.
Oh, we only bought one.
There's a lot everywhere. This
Wow. How much is that?
Goofy.
Next thing? That's good for pasalubong.
is 600 yen.
Yeah. It's good pala inside.
Yep. This is Monsters Inc.
You put it here. We cannot see.
Monsters Inc.
Okay, next. So cute.
Here we have Mrs. Pot and Chip
From
from Belle.
Beauty and the Beast. Yeah.
Here, oh, this is, what's that?
Simba.
Jinx.
And I hear Daddy's car. Let's hurry.
Okay,
And
let's hurry.
Oh, wait. No, no.
oh wow! Look from Aladdin.
This is Genie. This is Abu.
Yeah.
Abu.
Abu.
And
Oh, they're kissing.
Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse.
This is heart shape naman.
Okay.
Look, they're kissing here.
Yeah. There's more?
Yeah, now it's Donald Duck and Daisy Duck
Yeah.
kissing.
Oh, I love that.
Where am I? Here we have, this is Pluto, and I don't know who this is.
Okay.
But yeah, this one, I think this is Lainey. No, I think this
Okay.
is the
From?
the, like, it's a dog movie. Like, they're the one who like eats spaghetti and then they.
Okay.
And this
I'm
is
sorry, that's not my generation, so I don't know them anymore.
Thumper, and
Okay.
this is the
That's him?
girlfriend
Okay.
from Bambi.
Okay.
Do you know Bambi, Mama?
Yeah. And from Monsters Inc. This
I have
one, right?
this from Disney
Is it
Doorbell.
Monsters Inc.?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the Disney Doorbell.
Oh yeah, I remember. You have those.
I don't know where it went.
Okay. That's it?
Wait, there's more. This is Angel and Stitch, one of my
Okay.
favorite.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it. So this is how...
Lilo and Stitch.
Wait, I think I saw here how you're gonna make it. How you're gonna fold it. This is the instruction. It's just in Japanese. Maybe we can translate it, right? There. What else?
We also got free stickers.
From the cashier.
Yeah, I remember. One for you, one for Ate, and one for me. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When we were paying, and then she gave those. What does it say, Sophie?
So it says here, Tokyo Disney Resort.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Until next time, guys!
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. So by the way, we got cups.
From Cup Noodles Museum.
Okay, show them. Let's see the design. Which one is yours, Andy?
This one.
Okay, that's Andy's. Show yours, Andy. Yeah, turn it around. How about Ate? Show yours. Turn it around. Okay, what else? What else did we get from Cup Noodles Museum?
We got keychains.
Keychains! They're the same, right?
This is the duck.
Okay,
from the
show.
noodle.
Yan. What else?
We also have these. This is not from Cup Noodles Museum, but we also found it when we went shopping.
Yes! 3 keychains. One for Andy, one for Ate, and one for me.
Ate said this is hers. This
Okay.
is mine. This is yours.
Okay, let's zoom it.
Wait, what? So what?
Okay, what else? Do we have more?
Cup.
From?
Starbucks.
Okay, let's show them. To show. Okay, and then stand them up.
Stand them.
You don't need to remove it, Andy. Just stand them up. There! So we have Tokyo and Japan. Okay, and last but not the least, there for our collection. Thank you, God, for allowing us to go to Tokyo, Japan. Did you enjoy our trip?
Yes. Thank you, God, for allowing us to go to Japan.
Finally, we're done with all our Tokyo, Japan vlog, right?
Yeah.
This is the last one, and hopefully we can come back for more.
More videos.
For more videos.
Thank you so much for watching.
And have a nice day.
Goodbye.